Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make your profile private on Steam. It's quite easy and straightforward, and it will take you less than a minute to make your Steam profile private. Right, so first of all, of course, what you need to do here, you need to load up your Steam client and log into your Steam account if you haven't already, and then you should see a similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And then you need to hover your mouse on your username here, and then you need to press second option that says profile, and then you'll be redirected to another page here. And the next step, you need to press on edit profile, and after that then you need to go to privacy settings, and the first option will be my profile. As you can see here, currently is public, and you can make it to private, right? And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to make your Steam profile private. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.